What's up guys? It's me, April Scott. Instead of my normal vlogs, today I'm going to be trying out a makeup tutorial. Okay, the makeup tutorial that I'm going to do today is going to be a kind of glamour, pinky glamour, Ariana Grande sort of thing. Yeah, so let's begin. First of all, I'm gonna foundation my face because it needs foundation. I will be using this. Can you see that? It is the Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Poreless, normal to oily skin. We will eventually get the product. First of all, as I do my makeup, I just put that all over my face. Dab it on in lines. And then I shall start with a sponge, blending that out into my face. Ooh, this is very light coverage though. I'm doing it very light because I couldn't get much out of the bottle, not gonna lie. Okay, I shall go in with my concealer. I will use the Instant Anti-Age Eraser. Is that? Oh, look at that camera skills, focused. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this. Give it a few days. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty, just pretty. Concealing my under eye, because there's a lot to conceal. And that pimple, any weird spots that I have. I'm also gonna put some under my brow. Why not? Basically concealed my whole face. Then I shall, you know, blend it all out. Blend, 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 blend. I'm gently tapping the product into my face. We need to take care of our face. Tap, 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 tap. Dab, 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 dab. And the excess, sorry, I'll put that on my lids. Oh, okay. Bam. That looks good to me. I am actually gonna put a slight bit of eye cream on top of my lids. I'm gonna use it as a primer because I don't have a primer available right now. Okay, okay, okay. Oh yes, I forgot. We also have to blend that in. Let's get straight into the eyeshadow part and then I'll finish this later. What I shall be using for this lovely pink look will be the Naked Palette 3. Oh, let me show you the colors because they're beautiful. Really messy, but just ignore that. I love this palette. It's not too drama, it's not too look at me, I'm gonna steal your husband tonight sort of thing. It's very like, I'm very innocent and cute and mysterious. That's what this palette says to me. Without further ado, so first of all I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, a fluffy brush. This is actually a Royal and Langnickel Silk Pro brush. You probably never heard of them because I bought them a long time ago. And I'm gonna take the color Limit. I'm gonna take Limit over here. And I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. That's gonna be my base color. Oh, see that? I put it all over here, here, everywhere, just everywhere. I just did it everywhere. Okay, do you see that? I'm not sure if you see that. Nice. Okay, then what I shall do is I shall go closer for you guys to see. Then I will go in with another color, Nuna. It's right next to my X Liar. Here we go. I shall dab, dab, dab into my Nuna. I'm gonna start creating an outer V here. I'm gonna tap it in. Tap that into my outer V. But I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Next, I will take a normal eyeshadow applicator brush. There we go. Normal flat brush by Roland Nickel. And then I'm going to pick one of these marvelous colors, Burnout, which is this one here. I'll apply that all over my lid. Back dab dab on the other side. Okay, now after that, I'm gonna go in with a mix of Dust and Strange. And I'm gonna pop that in the very middle. Ooh, it's pretty. Now, to increase the intensity of this look, I will be using a Real Techniques brush. It's quite dirty, not gonna lie. But it's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with Factory. There's that one. And I am going to tap that in the outer corner, outer whatever, and I'm gonna bring that into my crease. Next side. And I'm gonna bring the remainder of it down into my lower lash line. Why? Because it's pretty like that. I'm gonna go back in with my blendy brush and blend. Okay, well I'll take the lightest color, which is Strange, and I'll put that on my brow bone. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a detailed brush, this one, haha, it's pointy. I'm gonna take a really light color, which is Strange, the one you saw that I used on my brow. I'm gonna put that here in the inner corner. Should we go darker? Should we? I'm getting tempted. I'll make it a little bit darker. I'm gonna dip into some dark side. I'm just gonna go over this outer side and blend. And back into the corners. Let's blend away. Blend just a little bit, just a little bit. Get rid of any harsh lines. Also remember, when blending, hold it at the end of your thing, so your hand is just really like wobbly. It just blends better. I like it a lot. Now I'm gonna take a detailer brush, and I'm gonna take a dark color in my palette, which will probably be Factory or Dark Side. Let's just try out with Dark Side. I've got a dark side. And I'm gonna tap that into my lower lash line. See, it's gonna join into that V. Next thing, eyeliner. Okay, I can't find my actual eyeliner that I intended to use. So we're gonna go with this eyeliner instead, which is Barry M's Super Gloss. And I'm not really a fan of Super Gloss because I prefer matte. But what can I say? This is what we have to work with. Take your little eyeliner brush, yes, that one, and you put it on your eyelids. Something like this. Okay, we are done. Goodbye. Choke on. Never do that. Never do that. Once you have your two lines, fill it in. All about that winged look. If I keep going on, I might just overdo the eyeliner. Then with that done, I shall actually go in with actual eyeliner. Pencil eyeliner. Oh, here it is. That is MAC's Engraved. Let's get drawing. Okay, don't watch me, okay? Hey girls, it's me. I'm new. I just moved here from Alaska. I would put on mascara. Do you know what? I will put on mascara. As of now, my favorite mascara is Sensational by Maybelline. But because I'm not going anywhere, guys. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna go with this other mascara. It has a mirror on the back. Actually, I wouldn't recommend this, which is why I'm using it now, because this is just makeup's gonna go to waste, because I'm just gonna do an online video and then I'm not going out anywhere, so it will go. Is there a smudge in my eye? Gosh, the ruined! No! I'll fix that in a bit. Let's continue and I'll fix that in a second. Oh, yes. Curl your eyelashes, guys. Then do it on the bottom. It's not bad, it's not bad. Ta-da! That is my look of the day. And to make this look just absolutely pop, I shall be using some eyelashes. Haha! Okay, and after you've put the glue on... Oh my gosh, I found my tweezers. You grab your eyelash and stick it on. Anxiety. Will she stab herself in the eye? Ooh, hi there. Next. Yes, okay. I'm gonna go ahead now and finish the rest of my face since this was a eye makeup tutorial. I will let you see the finishing results, but let me just see you in a minute. Hey. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is my very first eyeshadow makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if there is anything else you want to see. Don't forget to like and to please subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube, but I have a lot to show you guys. Thank you and come back to my channel. Goodbye.